Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best tonneau and truck bed covers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tonneau and truck bed covers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the TruXedo TruXport Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This soft rolling tonneau cover fits the 6-foot 6-inch bed of the 2014 to 2018, 2019 Limited, Legacy GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 2500 HD, and 3500 HD. If you have a different length of bed, the cover also comes in 5-foot 8-inch and 8-foot lengths. This cover is the TruXport style, which is a top-mount cover that sits about 1.5 inches above the truck bed. You'll notice that this cover has a beautiful leather grain finish to the vinyl material. This gives your truck both protection and good looks. It's also easy to mount and operate with paddle latches to open the cover on both sides of the tailgate. Unfortunately, the vinyl material used to make this cover tends to stretch. This can be an issue if rainwater collects on the cover. You may also find that the corners begin to pull up over time. The cover also lacks seals, which means it can leak. Moving on at number 4. We have the BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This hard folding tonneau cover has 3 aluminum panels. They automatically latch as you unfold or lay them down into place. The top has a matte black finish and will protect against scuff marks. You can fold them out of the way and have 100% access to the bed of your truck. This cover fits the GM Silverado and Sierra 1500 5-foot 8-inch bed with the new 2019-2020 body style. The cover comes in additional sizes to accommodate older models and longer truck beds. You'll appreciate how durable this bed cover is. The panels are treated with UV protection to guard against aging from the sun. They're also rated for holding 400 pounds that's evenly distributed over the cover. You can also close your tailgate with the cover open or closed. One downside with this cover is that the trim seals aren't cut with precision. This can cause some of them to be crooked or too short. This isn't a big deal until it rains, and the cover begins to leak. You may also find some installation quality control issues with your cover, such as holes drilled slightly off or bent brackets. At number 3, we have the Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This soft roll-up tonneau cover is designed to fit the 2009 to 2020 Classic Ram 1500 and the 2010 to 2020 Ram 2500 and 3500. It fits truck beds that are 6 feet 4 inches in length. If this doesn't fit the length of your truck bed, it also comes in the 5-foot 7-inch and 8-foot length. This cover is made of industrial-grade leather grain vinyl. What's nice about this tonneau cover is that it's fast and easy to install. You don't need to drill anything. It also mounts on the inside of the bed rails for a clean look. When you need the cover out of the way, it can give you full access to the bed by neatly rolling up. Unfortunately, the quality of the mounting hardware may not be up to par. It could come missing pieces or with broken hardware. Once mounted, the seals may not sit flush with the truck and instead stick up above it. At number 2, we have the Tyger Auto T3 Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Tyger T3 is about as good as it gets when it comes to an affordable trifold truck bed tonneau cover. Using a rigid aluminum frame, the cover has a vinyl fabric exterior that does a good job of protecting the bed from outside elements. The folding design also offers quick and easy access to the bed when the truck is stopped. Installation-wise, this tonneau cover is one of the easiest and quickest to set up. Compared to hardcover tonneau covers, the T3 truck tonneau cover has fewer parts to install. A few clamps are the only components required to secure the cover to the bed rails. Unfortunately, as a soft cover, the T3 has some severe limitations when it comes to security. The fabric isn't strong enough to resist cutting, and the sides are open to prying with the right equipment. Finally, the weather stripping you need to apply around the edges is difficult to install at times. And finally at number 1, we have the Lund Genesis Elite Roll-Up, Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Lund Genesis Elite gets as close as possible to striking the right balance between hard and soft tonneau covers. Using soft twill weave fabric, the cover is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to roll up when you need access to the main bulk of the bed. Best of all, the profile of the rolled-up cover is just about 4 inches in diameter. Installation is surprisingly quick for a cover with a complex setup. The fasteners are easy to position and tighten down with just a wrench. The support rails require little alignment, so you can get them mounted in just a few minutes. When it comes to performance, the cover delivers in most areas. Its weatherproofing is top-notch as long as the cover is positioned correctly. It can be difficult to secure the cover on both side rails if the bed width is just slightly larger than the cover itself. Finally, while it is tear-resistant, the Tonneau truck bed cover won't do that much against theft attempts. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment, subscribe.